Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to share with you a power-packed biotin smoothie recipe which will work wonders on your hair and your skin as well. And this is going to be your best breakfast smoothie that will provide you with a much needed energy for the whole day. Now what is this biotin? Biotin is vitamin B7 which is found in foods like banana, sunflower seeds, almonds, avocados, etc. The deficiency of this biotin, causes hair fall, dull hair and dull skin. Now come let's get on to the recipe. I've taken 8 walnut kernels. Walnuts promote hair growth as they are an excellent source of biotin, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E and selenium which helps to add volume and they add shine to your hair. And I have taken 1 teaspoon of pumpkin seeds. A vital mineral found in abundance in pumpkin seeds is zinc, which plays a crucial role in hair growth and repair. The vitamins and antioxidants strengthen and preserve the existing hair follicles. And next is I have taken 1 teaspoon of sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are an excellent source of iron, which is an important mineral to promote hair growth because iron, supply oxygen to the hair follicles. They are also rich in, protein and vitamin B6. Next is flax seeds and chia seeds. I have taken 2 teaspoons. These 2 seeds are considered as the powerhouses of nutrition because they contain vitamin E and again omega-3 fatty acids, zinc, copper and iron, and they also help to slow down your aging process. And they also add sheen to your hair and skin. Now you have to grind all of them to a fine powder without adding water and keep aside. I have taken 1 red banana. The reason why I have taken red banana is they have a very low glycemic index compared to the regular bananas. They have high fiber content and are low in calories. And the vitamin C and carotenoids promote collagen production and hence they slow down your aging process and they also improve immunity. So they're very good for health. And I've taken 1 tablespoon of unsweetened peanut butter because they contain protein which is very essential for your healthy hair growth. They're also an excellent source of biotin and they help to moisturize your skin. I've used unsweetened peanut butter because the red banana will provide the required sweetness to the smoothie. Now followed by 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt has an important ingredient called vitamin B5 which is also called pantothenic acid that gives smoothness and shine to your hair and it controls frizziness and hence you can use this Greek yogurt in your hair pack also. Now add the ground nuts and seeds to this mixer. Now to this I'm going to add 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Almond milk is very rich in vitamin E which is essential for a healthy hair and skin. It also contains magnesium which gives strength to the hair follicle. You can use store-bought almond milk too for this recipe. If you want the recipe for homemade almond milk, you can watch my almond milk preparation video. I have put the link in the description box. Now it's done. It's thick. Now you can add about a quarter cup of water to slightly dilute it, but don't dilute it too much. Now mix well and consume immediately. This smoothie is not only good for your hair and skin. This is also an excellent energy provider for your workouts. Drink this smoothie 30 minutes before you start your workouts and I'm sure this will give you the energy that you require for your entire 1.5 hours to 2 hours of strenuous workouts. Friends, please do try this recipe and stay healthy. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do it right away and enable the bell icon so that you will get notifications of my new uploads. Meet you all in my next upload. Till then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love and thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please share it with your family and friends.